This is Understanding Elon Musk. This is the chart of Tesla. Yesterday we were talking that it would be making a swiggle movement under the cloud, and let's look what it did today. Today it is at 110, so it's a little bit less than yesterday, 2% off. So we saw here it moved previous against the cloud, and that gave it again a push downwards. And this push was initiated by the delivery numbers. As I expected, it would go around this resistance. Then it goes up because this overreaction of the market again against the resistance. And because the cloud is here, I would expect it would hit maybe the cloud and then go back and move on top of this. But if we can see now, what happened is it went down and it moved and it sticked under it. So still you see here the cloud is getting thinner. This can be a good sign, because this can mean that there will be a bigger cloud made here, like this, that goes up. Or it can be a sign of backwards. But if you look at this, the cloud is going smoothing off. The movements here, you can see they are nice, they are overweighting. So this also is a nice pattern to see. We hadn't had before this. You see that it goes, if it like goes here, it is really going down. Here there was this strange movement, and I think this indicated the reversal point. This movement here, this is probably showing that there is a bottoming from the stock. It resulted in a range. So after this movement here, this strange movement, we see that it is so it is like, and I think we will see something like this. It will stay here until, I think, here the Q4 or the meetings. There are some meetings here, and then we will see a decision going up or down. For the moment, if you look at the resistance, I think it can visit again to this S2. So the max is S2. I hope it will go visiting the cloud and go in the cloud. The lines also here, if you can see, this one is going vertical. The other two ones are also going vertical. You can see vertical. So this is it's under the cloud. It is even it's still a little bit under the lagging indicators under the market cloud. So this means it is ranging. So we will see this as a ranging behavior. So again, for investors, wait for a low. Maybe place a buy order here at this point if it goes under it, and that is around $100, a little bit, maybe $100 exactly. But don't use the exact numbers, a little bit above, like $101, or you go under it. If it goes here and it goes a little bit, it can shoot more to the next level. You see also the compression of the pivot points here. So it can go down even here, and that this will be under $100. So the max down will be around a little bit above, a little bit under $100. It can shoot up, and this can be a big jump to the other side of the cloud here, and that will be around $114. Maybe $120, and then it can go up more. So for investors, I said that the strategy is to buy cheap, and that is around a little bit above $100, or if you are lucky, under $100. For day traders, this is ranging. So if you're a really good day trader and you like ranging, you can you have to zoom in more, like on the minutes. We can look maybe that for a while. We can look at what is it, the 6 minutes. What is this? Oh, 6 months. This is 1 day. Let's look at 1 day. Wow, something I never see, and don't use this or not. Okay. So if you want to trade here, let's look. around here. This is a nice point. This is a resistance. This is a nice point. So it's only $1 movement. I think this is, if you only have a big amount of money, you can do this $1 trade. But I would wait for a bigger kick out if I was day trader. Or if you're a day trader, you have to guess, because here you see the cloud also going down here. So you have in a range, you have here the upper range, here this is a support, so this is the lower piece of the range. So we have here a movement block, and we have here a bigger movement block. Expecting maybe that it goes up, it will switch through the cloud here, so it will go here again, the next block. So you can make a position here in the middle, make a buy and make a sell position here. You wait until the buy hits the max and you take the profit. Wait until the sell makes its max, takes the profit. You can do that, and then if it is the below hits, you take the profit, you take a buy position, and if it is here and you take the max, you do a sell position. But the problem is you never know when it is kicking out of the range. There are some signs that it kicks out of the range, that it overshoots the range, and that can be an inverse, that it goes down or it goes up. But you see already that it is in a few days in a range, so I advise not to trade and just wait for some big events, a big drop or a big rally up, and then there is probably more a chance to enter better in a reverse trade. So that's it for the moment. So it is not much has changed. It is in a range moving, and see you next time. See you. This is the end of the day. It is Friday, I think. Let me look. Yes, Friday. So it will be next week. So see you then.